Hello students, today we are going to learn about the heart, which is a vital organ of our body. We all know that heart pumps blood to the whole body. Because of that we can get oxygenated blood. Okay, these are the notes. We will refer the notes to learn, and apart from that we will also refer the diagrams, and we will go through the function of heart today. Anatomy and function. The heart is a muscular organ. It looks like a fist. We all know heart is a muscular organ which is made up of cardiac muscles. In the previous session I have already told you that cardiac muscles are the muscles which do contract automatically and they also relax automatically. Our heart looks like a fist. What is the meaning of fist? Heart looks like this. Fist means the बंद मुट्ठी जिसको हम कहते हैं. Your heart is located below your lungs in the middle of your chest. जो हार्ट होता है हमने पहले ही आपको बताया था कि it is located below our sternum. जो sternum है, that also I have told you कि diagram of sternum is, it is the chest bone. Okay, the sternum is a flat bone located at the anterior aspect of the thorax. Now what is the thorax? Thorax means the ribs cage area. Inside the ribs cage there are two lungs situated, and in between of these two lungs our heart is situated. It lies in the middle of the chest and has T shape. For which we are talking? The sternum. So up till now what we have seen is that अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा? Heart is a muscular organ. It looks like a fist. And what is its location? It is located inside the thorax, behind the sternum, which is a flat bone, looks like T shape. Apart from that, as a part of thoracic wall, the sternum helps to protect the thoracic viscera such as lungs and esophagus. तो इस तरह से sternum जो है ये क्या करता है, हमारे शरीर को जो अंदर इसके प्रेजेंट है ईसोफेगस और लंग्स. ईसोफेगस क्या होता है? जिसके थ्रू हमारे शरीर के अंदर खाना और पानी जाता है. मतलब मुंह से लेकर लंग्स तक का जो पाइप है उसे ईसोफेगस कहते हैं. ईसोफेगस और लंग्स जो है इसको भी प्रोटेक्ट करने का काम करता है. साथ में जो हार्ट है इसको भी प्रोटेक्ट करता है. इसके आगे है डबल लेयर मेम्ब्रेन is called pericardium, surrounds the heart like a bag. Now जो हार्ट है कार्डियक जो मसल्स से बना हुआ है उसकी चारों ओर की लेयर को हम पेरिकार्डियम कहते हैं. ठीक है. अच्छा, इसके बाद बहुत ही एक इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक हम लोग कवर करने जा रहे हैं. उसके पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं कि जो हार्ट है उसकी जो वॉल है वो 3 लेयर्स से मिलकर बनी होती है. और वी कैन से दैट आवर हार्ट इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्ड ऑर्गन एंड द मसल आर मेड अप ऑफ 3 लेयर्स. जैसे इफ़ वी पिक अ पीस फ्रॉम हेयर एंड वी लुक इट लाइक दिस, सो वी कैन सी एपिकार्डियम विच इज़ द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर, the middle layer which is myocardium, and the third one is endocardium. This is the outer layer, this is the middle layer, and this is the interior layer. So like this, heart is a muscular organ which is made up of cardiac muscles, and cardiac muscles do the contraction and relaxation automatically. Now we are going to study this diagram, which is a very interesting diagram which will show you the function of the heart. और आप इस डायग्राम के थ्रू जो हार्ट की फंक्शनिंग है उसको बड़े ही आराम से समझ पाएंगे. बहुत ही आराम से आप इसको समझ पाएंगे. सबसे पहले हमने हार्ट का जो डायग्राम है, स्ट्रक्चर है, वो कल ही देख लिया था. सारे नाम इसके कल देख लिए थे. अब हम बात करते हैं हार्ट के चैम्बर्स की. राइट. तो हार्ट के 4 चैम्बर्स होते हैं. ये फर्स्ट चैम्बर है, this is the second chamber, this is the third chamber, this is the fourth chamber. Fine. Heart has got 4 chambers. This is called left atrium, this is called right atrium, this is called left ventricle, and this is right ventricle. Fine. These are the 4 chambers of our heart. In this, what happens? Blood from the whole upper body, means from the head, chest, arms, means the upper body's blood, deoxygenated blood, comes through this superior vena cava into the left atrium. Here is the interior vena cava, through which deoxygenated blood from the lower part of the body comes inside the left atrium. Fine. When the whole deoxygenated blood comes into the left atrium, now the left atrium is filled with the deoxygenated blood. After this action, the pacemaker, which we will look after this topic, pacemaker activates and contracts the left atrium. After the contraction of left atrium, this valve, that is known as tricuspid valve, opens up. The whole deoxygenated blood is pumped into the left ventricle. Fine. After this, whole blood, after the left ventricle is filled up, again the contraction of it starts, and because of this contraction, this blood which has come from the left atrium travels through the left ventricle, and it is pumped into the pulmonary artery into the lungs for oxygenation. Fine. Means how it travels, like this. It comes here and it goes like this, comes from here and goes here. Fine. At the same time, this is the right atrium. In it, with the help of pulmonary veins, all the heart purifies the blood. It comes here and then it is pushed into the ventricle, right? And again it is with the help of this aortic valve, it is pumped into the aorta, and it is again supplied to the whole body. Like this, the functioning of heart goes on. In the next session, in the next video, we will learn how is the pacemaker, where it is situated, how it works, how the contraction happens, how the relaxation happens, and how the blood is pumped inside the body. If you have any question, if you have any doubts, or if you want to give any suggestion, please do write in the comment box. Thank you so much.